Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here on time as you have a lot to do today. Welcome to the quarterly meeting of Forever Trends. I guess everyone has a I guess everyone has a copy of today's agenda. So let us start. So before beginning the meeting, our respective MD has to speak something about our company.
Thank you, Rahul. As we continue to face the unprecedented COVID 19 situation, all we need is to be there here for each other. I want you all to know that I am here for you anytime. I would like to take a moment and appreciate all your efforts and achievements in this pandemic situation. There is no doubt this pandemic is going to bring irreversible changes in the ways we think and work. It makes me proud to see how smoothly we all have been able to roll out the difficulties and adapt the flexibility measures to ensure the progress of our company. Thank you, and now let us begin with our meeting.
So let us start by discussing the minutes of the last meeting. I would request Ms. Abhirami to present the sales of the last quarter.
Sure, sir. Please give me a moment. As we start the discussion, let me just sum up the overview of the company's financial condition over the past 6 months. As I've studied information about product sales, they have decreased constantly from March to August. After we look at the graph, we will see March and April sales reduced by 40% due to lockdown and our profit margin too decreased. In June, it fell down with 50%, and in August, it became lower with 60% respectively. As per the statistics, most of our sales have been from accessories section. During the months of June, July, August, there was 60% sales from the footwear section, whereas 30% reduction from the kids clothing section. As we see the graph, the home decor ranks the last, and we need to work more on this.
Rahul, just make a note of it. Reduce the profit margin by 20% for the home decor section and announce a sale for the same.
Okay, ma'am. Any other suggestions from the panel?
No.
No suggestions.
No.
Then let us continue with the consumer service report. Ms. Sanjana, I would request you to start with your presentation.
Sure, sir. Here is a consumer service data collected for past 6 months, that is from March 2020 to August 2020. The report shows that in the month of March, there was a slight decrease and fluctuations in the consumer service requests as compared to our estimation for the month. Also, during the month of April, May, and June, as we were abided to put restriction on exchange of garments, it led to a huge fall in the consumer satisfaction sale during this time. But as said by our sales head, Ms. Abhirami, we started to notice an increase in sales on accessories and footwear. And as a result of this, our customer request in the month of July and August pushed it so much that we had to schedule our team to work on weekends too.
Are there any specific complaints recorded in the past quarter?
No, nothing in specific, ma'am.
So let us continue. Ms. Supriya, please start with your section.
Sure. As Abhiram said, in this year, product sales have decreased constantly from March to August because of COVID-19 situation. And during this pandemic, most of the China app get by government of India. Right now, Indian brands have been following Prime Minister Narendra Modi's hashtag vocal for local vision currently in the market, emphasizing on a self-reliant or Atmanirbhar India. The government has asked the product not just be made in India, but also for the promotion of local brands, manufacturing, and supply chain. So I would like to suggest that we can make a deal with any Indian local brands for our newer fashion material, and we can launch a new ad campaign heading as Make in India.
That's a great idea, Ms. Supriya.
As you know, in today's world, social media is such an influential platform to endorse a product locally and to a much bigger audience. Now, our PR head, Shekhar, will provide us with a list of influencers we can contact to endorse a product.
As media head proposed, you should promote our product on platforms like Instagram and YouTube. I have talked to YouTuber and influencer best suited for promoting our product and shortlisted some of them in accordance to with their interaction with their audience and their reach. My list includes Sejal Kumar. She has the perfect age demographic for her product. Her channel gets 300k to 500k views per video, and she demands 1 lakh rupees for promoting her product. Komal Pandey is another YouTuber that I have talked to, and this is suited to promote our product. This channel gets 500k to 700k views, and she demands 1 lakh rupees for promoting her product. And our last one is Gaurav Taneja, which is channel name Time Waste. He has an amazing connection with his audience, as he just got 1 million subscribers just by asking in his one of his videos, and he demands 300 lakh rupees for promoting a product. I also had word with numbers of micro influencers who are willing to promote a product and demand 3 to 7% of profit made when someone put their referral code while buying their product. So I want to ask our media head, should we sponsor this small YouTube and pages?
Yes, I think we should, because micro influencers usually have a high engagement rate. This is because they don't have a massive fan following, and they are still able to connect on a personal level with their followers. This makes their community more tightly knit than those of the macro influencers. According to studies, the engagement rate for micro influencers were 3.6%, while that of macro influencers was only about 1.5%, and they are also cost effective.
So I will inform them that we have decided to accept their offer.
Great idea. Well done, Supriya, Abhishek, and Shekhar. Keep updating me about the progress for the new ad campaign.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Thank you.
Khalid, what are the updates about the new manufacturers?
Yes, as we know, because of lockdown, the Chinese products are banned in India, and we are looking for new supplier. I have shortlisted a few supplier which can satisfy our requirement of the company and support the new motto made in India. I would like to present the screen. First company is Saraswati Handloom. Here are some sample design of Saraswati Handlooms. This company is located in Tamil Nadu. Saraswati Handloom specializes in cotton and silk clothing such as kurti and saris. They are quite popular in the southern part of India. Their cost price is less as compared to any other company. They have an average shipping time and quality. They produce more than 5,000 plus clothes per day. Our next company is Khadims. Khadims. Uh, Khadims India Limited has made its name for itself in list of top supplier of India. The supply company is located in Nanavati, West Bengal, and is one of the leading seller listed in the products. They have quite an amazing reputation for footwear. Khadims have high quality footwear for each and every age group, but their cost price is high as compared to any other footwear company. They can produce more than 900 plus footwears per day. Our next company is JK Woolen Arts. JK Woolen Arts. JK Woolen Arts are located in Jammu and Kashmir. They are quite popular in the northern part of India. JK Woolen Arts specializes in woolen blankets, clothes, thermal wear. They are slightly less costly as compared to other suppliers. They can produce more than 300 plus clothing in a day. Our next company is Arvind Mills. This company is located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. This is the one of the best supplier, trusted name worldwide to deliver the creative and high quality fashion in formal wear, casual shirts, top and dresses. Their cost price is high, their shipping time is average and quality is also average, but they can produce more than 6,000 plus formal wear in a day. Our next company is Satluj Textile Market. Here are some sample designs. This company is located in Bangalore. Satluj Textile Market has a presence over 65 countries and is the one of the largest integrated textile manufacturing supplier in the world. They specializes in traditional wear. Their cost price is average. Their quality of the product is above average. Their shipping time is less, and they can produce more than 5,000 plus clothes per day.
Yes, Khalid. However, I would like to control the packaging cost of the consignment to avoid the high production packaging cost.
Approve the samples for JK Woolen Arts, Saraswati Handlooms, and Khadims. Khalid, please inform these manufacturers about the company's terms and conditions, and also ask their designers to start their work on the exclusive collection which will be launched during the autumn sales.
Sure, ma'am.
Supriya, what are your plans about the theme selection for the new collection?
Since we are promoting Make in India, we should imbibe some traditional touch to our new collection. In my opinion, using our traditional materials for creation of modern Indo-Western designs will work amazingly for our upcoming collections.
Do you have a few samples ready?
Yes, ma'am. In this design, our traditional silk material is used in the making of a formal corporate suit. Organza silk can be used for making modern tunics and tops. We can also add up geometrical designs to our traditional woolen sweaters and make it a statement piece for the upcoming autumn season.
Interesting. I suggest you to include a few jute accessories such as a cane bag, earrings, bracelets. With this will add authenticity to our collection.
Noted. Also, I would like to put up a suggestion for organizing an e-fashion show for launching our new collection. And we can arrange a live fashion show on social platforms such as Instagram and YouTube.
Superb. Start working on the fashion show, designs, and the launch event.
Thank you, ma'am.
So Moksh, what are the updates about the new warehouse?
Just a second. Abhirami. Good morning, everyone. So as we had discussed in the last meeting, the problem was there were complaints regarding no proper delivery and dispatch. So we have come up with a new warehouse, which is located in Borivali. Next slide. Which is located in Borivali near the RM Farms. It is well connected to the highway, so there will be no delay in the transport. And it is opposite to the Tata warehouse. We found this place at really cheap at the price of 8,000 rupees square feet. So we've taken around 100 square feet of area and we can start working from there only.
What are the updates for the logistic department? Any problems or suggestions?
Yes, so basically, as you know, transport is one of the most affected things during this pandemic, as there are no drivers available and you cannot travel interstate as well. Some suggestions from my side would be, let's not keep a delivery date. We could give a delivery period for the package so that we have ample amount of time to arrange some alternative just in case if something goes wrong. We will have to find delivery men who are trustworthy and also have some experience in it. The delivery personnel should know the whole locality properly and should take care of themselves to avoid any transmission of coronavirus. That's all from my side. There's nothing much that we could do, but we'll try our best. As you can see in the PPT, you can see the marked location which is pointing red, that is our warehouse, and these are our actual photos from the site. Next slide. Thank you. That's it from my side.
Okay, you can proceed with the hiring for the new staff.
Thank you, ma'am.
So Roshan, please demonstrate our new module.
So as I was instructed at the last meeting to improvise our search technology of our application as well as our website, I came up with a solution for the same, which is photo search technique that will allow our customers to upload photos of a specific dress or fabric that they want to search. The photo will then be compared with the photo stored in our database and will then return the products that match the photo as a result. So here are some UI designs that I'd like to show you all. Just let me present the screen. Is it visible?
Yes.
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 So there will be a camera icon just next to the search bar, which if clicked, it will provide two options, one camera and other is gallery. If the user chooses camera, it will open the camera of the smartphone and allow the customer to click picture, and then it will allow the user to review the picture before proceeding with the search. And if the user chooses gallery as an option, it will allow the user to select one image from the gallery and it it will show the result, search result, as you can see.
Very nice idea. How many days will it take to include the module in our existing website as well as mobile app?
Not able to hear your voice.
How many days? How many days will it take to include this module in our existing website as well as app?
It will take a total of 7 days, including 4 days for development and 3 days for testing and bug fixing.
Okay. Along with this module, coordinate with the marketing and sales head for the new launch.
Yeah, sure.
Rahul, keep
Thank you.
updating me with the progress of about the sale by 6th of October.
Sure, ma'am. Any other suggestions from the upcoming sales from the panel?
In my opinion, I would like to offer buy two and get the third one for free because people prefer buying things on sale. Offering customers discount on purchases is the way to quickly draw people to buy our products. Anytime we tell a customer that they can save money, our product is likely to get their attention. They also help our company to increase sales. Discount may be that one ingredient that can bring our company's profits success. And to execute this plan effectively, we also took a survey, and I would like Ms. Anjana to share the report of it.
Yes, so as we see the result of the survey conducted last month, 78% of our customer shops either during the sale or when we offer them with discount coupons. That leaves us with only 22% of customers who shop during the non-sale period. After the analyzing the obtained consumer response statistics, it can be a great idea to launch products with such offers as it will target the main cluster of shoppers who can shop during the sale, which will give an additional boost to the sales as well.
I would like to suggest that we should provide promo codes to our influencer. This will surely increase our sales.
Rahul, take down all the suggestions and schedule the next meeting for the panel on 7th of December.
Sure, ma'am. The next meeting of the panel is scheduled for 7 December 2020 at Monday at 11 a.m. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.